Welcome to the Seasonal Eating Summer Edition of Wellness Palette, where we celebrate the beauty of vibrant, healthful foods inspired by nature's ever-changing rhythms. Summer is a season of abundance, bursting with color, flavor, and life. The warm sun encourages an array of refreshing fruits and vegetables to flourish, offering us an opportunity to nourish our bodies and thrive in harmony with the season. Eating seasonally during summer means embracing hydrating and nutrient-rich produce like berries, melons, mangoes, avocados, tomatoes, cucumbers, and leafy greens. These foods are naturally lighter and higher in water content, helping to keep us cool and hydrated during the hottest months. They're also packed with vitamins and antioxidants that energize us for outdoor activities and support healthy skin, digestion, and immunity under the summer sun. Imagine each summer meal as a cooling oasis, a way to stay refreshed while fully embracing the colorful bounty of the season. By filling your plate with red, yellow, and green hues, you're fueling up with sunlit energy, perfect for long days and adventurous nights. In this episode, we're diving into two of summer's most delightful creations: the Wellness Palette Berry Smoothie Bowl, a vibrant antioxidant-packed breakfast or snack that will leave you refreshed and energized. Here are the ingredients: 1 cup frozen mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, etc. 1 ripe banana. 1/2 cup almond milk or your favorite plant-based milk. For toppings, chia seeds, granola, coconut flakes, fresh berries, and a drizzle of honey or agave. Follow the directions. 1. In a blender, combine the frozen mixed berries, banana, and almond milk. Blend on high until smooth and creamy, adjusting the milk amount if needed for a thicker or thinner texture. Aim for a consistency that's thick enough to eat with a spoon, like soft serve ice cream. 2. Pour the blended mixture into a bowl, allowing it to settle naturally. Think of this as your canvas, waiting for a burst of vibrant toppings. 3. Carefully arrange your chosen toppings, like chia seeds, granola, and coconut flakes, across the bowl. For a wellness palette touch, layer the toppings in sections or clusters to create a dynamic contrast of colors and textures, reminiscent of an artist's palette. 4. For an extra pop of color, add a few fresh berries or a drizzle of honey or agave syrup on top. This final touch captures the essence of nourishment and color, making each bite as visually satisfying as it is delicious. This vibrant bowl is cooling, hydrating, and packed with antioxidants for glowing skin and summer energy. This smoothie bowl isn't just breakfast, it's a mini art creation. Take a moment to admire your berry masterpiece, recognizing that each color provides unique nutrients that refresh and energize your morning. Enjoy this vibrant creation, knowing it fuels both body and soul with the beauty and nutrition of nature's colors. When we said abundance, we weren't kidding. We have one more summer recipe to share with you: a mango avocado salsa. Here is what you'll need. 1 ripe mango, peeled and diced. 1 avocado, peeled, pitted, and diced. 1/4 cup finely chopped red onion. 1/4 cup fresh cilantro chopped. Juice of 1 lime. 1 small jalapeno finely chopped, optional for a hint of heat, and add salt to taste. To prepare, 1. Begin by dicing the mango and avocado into evenly sized cubes. Aim for similar sized pieces to create a beautiful blend of colors and textures. 2. In a medium bowl, gently combine the mango, avocado, red onion, and cilantro. Treat this combination as a vibrant color palette, each ingredient adding its own distinct hue and flavor profile. 3. Squeeze fresh lime juice over the salsa mixture, which will brighten up the flavors and help keep the avocado from browning. Add the finely chopped jalapeno if you'd like a touch of spice. 4. Add a pinch of salt and carefully toss everything together, making sure not to mash the avocado or mango. 5. Transfer the salsa into a serving bowl, allowing each color to stand out in the mix. This mango avocado salsa is a perfect example of eating the rainbow. Mango provides beta-carotene and vitamins, avocado brings healthy fats, and red onion and cilantro add antioxidants. This bright salsa brings a perfect balance of sweet and spicy. It serves as a refreshing addition to salads, tacos, or as a colorful, nutrient-packed dip for your favorite grilled veggies or whole grain chips. Enjoy your flavorful, artful creation, embracing the beauty and health benefits each color provides. As we wrap up our seasonal eating summer edition, let's take a moment to reflect on the vibrant flavors and benefits this season brings. Summer's abundance reminds us that eating in harmony with nature not only nourishes our bodies but also feeds our connection to the earth. By embracing seasonal produce, we enhance our hydration, energy, and vitality, all while savoring the fresh, vibrant taste that summer offers. From the refreshing Berry Smoothie Bowl to the zesty Mango Avocado Salsa, we've explored just a glimpse of what summer's palate has to offer. These recipes are more than just meals. They're a celebration of health, color, and creativity. As we look ahead to the next season, remember to continue painting your plate with nature's colors, letting each bite be a brushstroke in the masterpiece of your wellness journey. Stay tuned for our seasonal eating fall edition, where we'll explore hearty, grounding recipes and discover how autumn's rich, warm hues can support your health and well-being. Until then, let the vibrant spirit of summer inspire you to eat, live, and thrive the wellness palate way.